Camera, the fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's. NU. Combination play, Red Jurado. The pickup from Celine Marsh.
Good for defense so far from NU.
High ball ulit galing kay Evangeline Sog. Pinulyar at the middle. Lams Lamina to Pat Salazar. Long rally immediately. Jurado the tip. And puts... Reverse set. Pat Salazar is denied.
What a denial by Balingit.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. Resist. Carvalho to Jurado. Well covered. Balingit from the other side. Hargo was there. She was superb in game number 1. Celine Marsh, who was quiet in that first game.
Celine Marsh. I mean, we've seen her all throughout the season with explosive performances coming from this girl.
On the way she produced at a really high clip. Balingit puts it in.
Another player, Balingit. It's a huge opportunity for her to showcase everything she's got in the absence.
In the collegiate ranks. Was a former coach of a professional team before. Hindi naman. Oh, Marga Alpea sending that back to the friend zone.
And she exploded in game number 1, especially in the blocking department.
Sobrang ganda nung timing. Traveling here to Manila. This is her first time watching. Kasama yung mga abarkada niya dito. But Chamcha Maaya having other plans.
Aya.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
Great play by...
Ball for NU. Cham-cham. Altea. Nakaabang sa net. Play call for Cassie. Combination play. Julia Balingit. Sugoy!
Wow! Plays na binabato ni Cassie. Making Balingit be successful in those attempts.
USD is up 8-5. We headed to our first.
And Kayla.
Thank you so much, Mikey, and Cassie Carvalho. Superb in that game number 1, Kayla, and her playmaking on full display right now, setting up Marga Altea as well as Julia Balingit on separate occasions. This time, it's XYZA putting...
Again, full display of power. Cassie Carvalho orchestrating that offense so effectively.
Backs against the wall, but they have risen to the occasion. Oh, Evangeline Sog exploding there. This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner, world's best flavored fries. Order now.
Halos walang blockers dun si Vanch on that last stick.
Cassie. Saisagula. Tumatrabaho para sa Use.
Where she gets her power and that elevation. Of course, the finish to grab another point for the Golden Tigresses.
Cardio. Salazar, the tip. Pepito, steady as always. Alexa Mata. Beautifully done by NU.
Great quick. Those are the sets that you want to see from NU, those low, fast sets.
Has vast experience already. And now she gets an ace.
Right on cue, Ken.
Julia Balingit. Alinsog picks it up. Celine Marsh from the left pin. It's good.
Great way to convert.
6 na puntos ang kalamangan dito ng Uste. Nasa loob na si Sam Cantada. Agad nagparamdam.
A young rookie here. A promising rookie for NU. Right away. And skills she brings to the court. It's also yung leading by example to the senior players she plays alongside with.
Kala siya dun.
But still managing to get that point.
Cantada na naman!
Again, such a powerful player. No blockers there. Altea was clearly late.
Yeah, no? And then they got hold of that. And now she's a prize recruit. And now Saisagula
of the Golden Tigresses. Great setup by Arlene Wahe. Putting that attack through zone.
Sam Cantada will serve. Arlene Wahe, one-hand set. Executed to perfection.
perfect exit to give credit to Wahe on that one-handed set.
Napakagandang tignan. Avril Braun. Nice pickup from Sam Cantada. Kay Bombita delivers.
We saw great production and great numbers coming from this girl in game number 1.
Timeout UST by what UST is doing. Sa Isagula. Maaya, the setup to Kay Bombita. Chance for UST. Carvalho catching the defense of NU, napping there.
Passing game.
Gandang serve. Alexa Mata pounds it in.
Another one. Abby Pono doing a great job activating Mata in the middle. Underrated server. I really enjoy watching every time she's on the service deck.
Pasok yan para kay Red Jurado.
Another time and a back set by Carvalho.
Napakahirap na si Penuliar.
Kahit ang layo na sa setter's box, she's still able to bring it to the target.
Alec before executing that set.
Just goes to show yung volleyball IQ, hindi lang...
Sam Cantada is now up front. Marga Alpea puts it in.
Quickly apologizes to Bombita. Great activation once again. And Alteo going through Pono and Maaya's block.
UST is at set. Cassie taking her time. The scramble by NU. Reverse set kay Bombita. Nice pickup by Sai Sagula. High ball papunta kay Julia Balingit. Julia Balingit scores!
What a way to... That hit coming from Balingit, as we see here, went for that dive. Pero yung pagtama niya sa floor.
Valiantly went for that. Hopefully nothing serious. Inalalayan na siya dito ni Coach Reg. But Julia Balingit. After that point, UST takes care. Pasok yan.
Back-to-back points for this girl.
Outperformance in game number 1. She said and admitted na hindi nga daw niya expect for the ball but is good to play again after a few stretches. Ken and Kayla?
So good news for NU. Meanwhile, Blessing Onekwe. Well by Det. Abe Pono marching in. Jacob. Wala yun. Avril Braun nandoon sa likod. Si Sam Cantada. Escanlar was turned back by Maymay Coronado.
So you have two talented blockers right in front to deny Escanlar.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce. Pono. Bombita, tough angle. UST given a chance. Avril Braun. Nice pickup by Abigail Pono. Bombita one more time. Arasan was there to retrieve it. Cross court Fernandez. Easily picked up by IC Cepada. Nice block by UST. Bombita from the right pin. Nice rally here in set number 2. Bombita was denied.
Good net defense. Let's take a look at this once more. Bombita with an attack. But UST blocking, just showing.
Now, with Coronado and, of course, Marga Alpea. And now, isama mo.
Avril Braun, of course.
Pono calmly going to Escanlar. Cantada, galing sa likod. Matik yan.
Lahat ng mga set na nabibigay sa kanya, she's able to convert those into points.
Yeah. Glad to have you with us here on a Saturday afternoon. Escanlar. Unintentionally, that play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now.
Again, Pau.
Moment tong UST. Nice pass though by Cepada. But They haven't found the answer yet. Arasan down the line. She puts it in.
What a good receive by Hardio. Cantada once again hitting from. Great set as well by Abe Bono despite that first touch being quite.
Bono, one-hand set. Greatly anticipated by Coronado. Aatras sila. They will reset their offense. They go to Arasan. Shut down by Jacob. And
To deny Arasan on that hit.
this block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now. Pasok yun ha. Naitawid. Bombita hitting Pepito. Immediately going over to lead rather for NU. Reg Jurado. Bono setting up kay Bombita. It's good.
Bono going to her as she has been effective for the Lady Bulldogs so far.
Timeout UST. They're down by 3. Cassie Carvalho. Sai Sagula puts it away.
Tackle that time, and of course that results into a point. Good pass.
Balingit kept it alive. Chance for NU. Vangeline Song. Oh, that bit. No, it hit the floor first before she got to that one. Team captain of NU.
What a hit.
Pasok ba? Yes, it is. An ace.
But
Coach Shaq with it. They win this one 25-32. Bombita drops a bomb.
another.
That play was brought in by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules, down to the app now.
One step away. Ooh, a lucky break.
Bumapang. Set up job to Vangeline Sug.
And so
With a 2-point lead. Altea running attack.
too much to handle.
Let's get the report from Mikey Abueg on UST.
The Great Wall of España is back courtesy of no other than sophomore Marga Altea, who without a doubt has been one of the most improved.
Tiger says, Sai Sagula. Kay Bombita, pick up by Det. Marga Altea will score.
Altea just on fire right now. Yeah. Take a look at this. Carvalho with a quick attack. And Marga Altea with a finish.
Last 4 points belong to Uste. Carvalho. Gula. Cassie, this time to Reg. Jurado was denied.
That was a well-timed block on Reg Jurado.
Cantada. Wala pa rin sagot ang UST sa kanya.
This young girl.
Good serve. Alex Amada takes advantage of that over. An ace from NU. Cassie. Balingit goes long. Put Julia Balingit into positions where she could thrive. And that speaks volumes. Na alam mong pinagpracticean nila yan, no?
Yes, and again, that's also chemistry. But Sam Cantada once again.
Paulit-ulit. Sam Cantada na ang NU, 16-13. Cham-cham, Maaya. Easy work.
A perfect pass by Shai Memorial. But of course, the game goes on and you cannot let those things affect you.
Red Jurado. Tinuldukan. Yung rally na yun.
Coming from Red Jurado, much needed on the side of the Golden Tigresses.
This school play is brought to you by RNB Milk Tea. Order now.
Ooh, but a challenge.
Galing sa likod, Alinsug. Jurado susubok. Off the block.
Much needed point. Anybody's game. Good pick up by Gula.
That time. They convert. Wow!
What a set as well. Perfect pass, perfect set, and the finish by Jurado once again. A chance to Jurado to execute that.
Ayun, no? Natsasaga nila, no? That time, deflecting that attack. And Red Jurado has been on a roll. Coronado really wants this. Bombita sent back. One more time for Cantada. Det. Kept it alive, but she's now in the back row.
Perfect pass.
Jurado. Gula tried to save it. Kochak, hindi na itawid. Balingit. Nice coverage by UST. Keeping that ball in play. Vanja Alinsug. Cassie. Still alive. Alexa Mata.
And this time, that was Alexa Mata. No blockers for her there. Oneko was late to get to position. Good pass.
Vanja Alinsug. Puts it in. Cassie. Balingit. Puts it in. Targeting Cantada. Alinsug from the right pin. Oh, it's in! Wow!
Let's take a look at that once again. Vanja Alinsug with a hit. And that falls right on the court of NU.
Just clipping the outside line. Timeout NU. Set point. You're
On that line in the side of NU.
Abepono to Vanch. No problem.
Alinsug. Cantada again. Perfect passing. No blockers there for Vanch.
Is now up front. Gula puts it in. Pono carefully getting it to Sam Cantada. She is denied. Cantada one more time. Cross court. It's out. Grabs and they lead 2-1. Winning set keys from era to era to era. The fun keeps rolling. 50 years of fun, family, and pizza at Shakey's.
Wow. Cassie Carvalho with that block. But Bombita.
Free belong to NU. Stark contrast here. But NU.
Yes, and the caliber that UST has.
Lamina gives it to Sam Cantada down the line.
Sam Cantada again. I'm wanting to bring that ball through that was Cassie Carvalho's hand.
Maaya.
Ball still alive here.
Nice save. Nice effort. NU. Combination play. Oh my goodness, Sam Cantada. My, oh my.
Star.
A rocket from the sky. That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. Our way, our rules. Download the app now. Cassie to Reg. Jurado scores.
Reg Jurado.
5 serving 7. Cantada with a drop ball.
What a well-deceived shot. Going for...
Jurado. Bump set going to Julia Balingit. Hardio with a nice pickup. Evangeline Sog will not be denied.
Captain. Going for zone 1. Reg Jurado on of Lamina.
Back-to-back points. Cham-cham.
Ooh, that's
Foiled.
3-0 run on the...
Or in the UAP, sa finals, lagi silang nasisweep ng NU. Aba, ang kanyang pamamayagpag dito.
Sam Cantada again. Another back row attack.
Cassie, binigay ko Unekwe. Cantada try to save it. Hardio gets it across. Saisagula cross court, denied. From the back row, Altea. Gula one more time, goes long, it's in.
Good start.
Sam Cantada.
It's really crazy to think na 18 years old pa lang siya.
Pepito pops it up. Gula will just send it across. High ball, NU, chance here. Abe Pono, combination play. Kay Bombita right on point.
Good active. Leaving her open. They're freeing her up. No blockers. Easily putting that one away on the backcourt.
The combination play, Saisagula. UST cross to within 2. Pagkakataon para sa Uste. Jurado. Nice save by NU. Reg. Nice play call, but maganda rin yung basa doon ng NU. They scramble here. Kay Bombita. Pepito pops it up. Cassie. Gula. Nabasa na yun.
That was the... Inside.
Sam Cantada. Nagkabanggaan doon. Mga player ng UST. Naka-adjust doon si Marga Altea. Cantada with much more force. First kill block on Sam Cantada.
On Sam Cantada. After 4 sets, they finally get their kill block on her.
Naisahan na din ni Marga Altea. Cassie Carvalho to Julia Balingit. Diving in was Shaira Hardio. Joust at the net. Won by NU. Well, for the Golden Tigresses. But they're still not out of the woods yet. 18 all. Balingit sent back. The bump set from Cassie. Another block by NU. Julia. What a good serve. Saisagula. Sorry, that was Evangeline Sog. NU being steady here. Oh, Marga Altea pounds it in.
Let's take a look at this. Marga Altea also contributing from the middle.
1-point lead. Abe Pono. Evangeline Sog again. What a point by NU.
Heavy lifting here in terms of the scoring from the wing.
Alam niya, nababantayan na si Cantada eh. It's up to her to rise to the...
Ada in the back.
Saisagula in the middle. Nabasa na doon ang depensa ng NU.
It was a good block one.
Tense moments. Kay Bombita. Off the block. Yes, sir! 25-23, they win set number 4. Abe Pono going to Van Shaw. She is taking over the team captain.
Taking, as we see Abe Pono continuously giving her those sets.
You could sense Kayla the intensity.
How in within only 15 to 20 minutes, the girls will already see the result of this set. Therefore, they have to make every moment count by enjoying.
Avril Braun Hinabol ni Vanch. Free opportunity for UST. Julia Balingit. Cross-court. Sugoy.
But Sam Cantada still the leading scorer for NU.
Oh! Kill block from Chamchamaya.
Chamaya again with another monster block.
Timeout, US. Alinsog puts it in.
Well,
May. Point to Uste. Chance for UST to capitalize. Nice block by Alinsog. Jurado. Off balance, Bombita. Isa pang pagkakataon para sa Golden Tigresses. Reg goes long. Hardio keeps it alive. Vanch Alinsog, cross court. Cassie. Hula. Puts it in!
size of Hula.
Kay Bombita. It's in!
Kay Bombita finding.
Reg has stuck to this unit. Oh, an ace! Vanch Alinsog! Oh, it's out! It's out!